Okay, so what we're looking at here is our A-Body Dodge Dart door. I got some tape on the edges. We're going to attempt to drop this vent window, the whole window and vent assembly in. We got done with the vent window channel felt. So this is how to install the window. I'm going to attempt to walk you through this whole procedure. Let's take a walk over. Look at the window on the bench. Okay, here we have our vent window on the bench. Couple things to know. This adjuster right here, and it's not a retainer. It basically goes in just like that. You'll slide it down the door, and that'll line up to a hole in the front door jamb. And then this adjusts in or out. And then that adjusts the tilt of the window to the A-pillar and makes the window seal up right at the back where it meets the back window. These things sometimes have a tendency, you'll put them in, roll the window up, and it'll be low in the back. So then you have to adjust this out, and it moves the whole window like that. So that's the adjustment. So yeah, you need that. There's no nut on it. I'm going to do the adjustment and then put a jam nut on this on inside the door, and then a plastic body plug goes over it. Here at this point, this sits down all the way down to the bottom of the door. This post goes up in, and it fits kind of loose, so there's a little piece of foam that kind of goes in there and eliminates rattles. Foam looks something like that. That is the piece of foam, believe it or not. I'm either going to reuse that or make new one. I have a piece, I'll take a razor blade and cut pieces to that dimension. But that is basically a piece of anti-rattle foam. Maybe your car has it, maybe it don't. Maybe somebody complained of a rattle. The factory put that in. Either way, yeah, we're going to get into it. I have a camera tripod. I'm going to mount this camera up, and you guys can watch me actually drop this in and see how it goes. Is it a one-man job? Is it a two-man job? We're going to find out. All right, stay tuned. All right, so we're going for it, people. Going to find out if this is a one-man job. So here we go. Or whoa. I think that's it. I don't think we have too much damage either. Hooray. Now, this is the new window felt. We're going to see how it pushes down. So you want your window down where it's not going to just fall and break in any vehicle. Okay. Whoa. So you can see here the vent window's in. If you look, it's not adjusted right. So I mentioned earlier about that tilt adjustment, and that is inside here. If you open the door, there'll be a hole in here, and you will get a short screwdriver, a short-handled screwdriver, and you'll make the adjustment counterclockwise. Moves that wheel out, it tilts the window up at the back corner. The back corner will be right there. You look up here, you can see if you tilt the back corner up, that'll fit nice and tight. It is also too low, so the whole thing will have to move up. The slide adjustment for that is right there. Right there is the slot adjustment for that. You can see you'll stick a nut in there and then pull the wing window up. And then that'll take care of that top gap. And then the tilt adjustment will take care of the angle. This here goes in from the bottom. Let me see if you can see in there. It'll go up. It'll go up. Actually, it'll go in and down, and then the bottom of the wing window will fit in it. Let's see if I can see it. I can't. Okay. There's a few more parts. There's the regulator. There is the rear track. Let me see if I can collect. That is the rear window track. This goes to the back end of the door latch. So you have your front vent window channel that guides the front side of the window. This is the back one. This goes on the door latch edge where the B pillar would be if it was a two-door sedan. And the window goes up and down in that groove. So I will mount up the camera. You guys can watch me install this. I will do the best I can to try and show details. So this is the back side of the door. Bottom latch up to the top. There's the window in there. This track will sit in there like this. That L's going to bolt up somewhere right about there. This bolt here is going to go right about there. That hole. Let's see how it goes. Goes to show you how tight that new window channel is. But it's nice. It's smooth. It'll be weather tight. So I'm going to put this in and slide the window down in it. This. Had to move the door latch linkage out of the way. Something I have to be mindful of. Later on we have to put the door handle in. And we don't need the linkage bound up behind all these parts. Alright, so that's in there. Get a nut started here. Where's the other one? Ah, it goes up here. See that? Let's see. There we go. So we got that track installed, and there's a little bit of adjustment there, not much. It pretty much goes there, and that's it. I could probably go all the way and put the regulator in tonight too. So far so good, no major damage to anything. I'm liking it. It's our regulator. Left door, old masking tape.